Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So in today's video we will see how to install clamav antivirus along with the clamav updates using the yum package manager. So yum package manager, many of you will not know, but it was a older package manager. It was used, it is still used, but earlier it was the main package manager for RPM distribution, RPM based distributions. So I used to use this yum in Open Mandriva. In those times, in 2004, Open Mandriva was called Mandrake OS, and in that distro you used to use yum. So there are very old memories associated with yum. So let us start how to install. Type yum install -y clamav space clamav update. So we have not given sudo, there is an error, so in the correct it, sudo yum install -y clamav space clamav -update, enter, give the sudo password, enter. Then it will first check in the local repos. The local repos will be updated, then it will do the metadata check. Dependencies will be resolved. Now it will show you the list of the packages that need to be installed. So the main package along with its dependencies. So total size is 1.7 MB, install size is 6.2 MB, deflated size is 6.2 MB. Now download the packages. After the download is complete, there will be transaction check, transaction test will be done. If both succeed, then the installation will start. Some scriptlets will run to install the clamav. After the main clamav package is installed, the updates, these are the updates that will be installed. Look here, it is the update is there. So the latest update available in the repository will be installed. After the update has been installed, the whole installation of the clamav will complete. Thank you very much. Friends, do subscribe to our channel, do like and comment on the videos. Please engage with us, tell us how we can improve the info videos we are making for you, for all of you. See you, bye, see you in the next video.